Alright, class. It's music time. I will be singing Good Morning Song by Greg and Steve. Who just burped here? Did you just burp in the class?
Miss Ashley, I just burped in class.
Junior, how dare you burp in class? That's it. Go home right now. I am calling your parents right now. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Floaty. Your son Junior just burped in class. Can you please pick him up? Okay. Thank you. Bye. Junior, we can't believe that you got expelled from school for burping in class. That's it. You are grounded for 77777777777 years. Go to your room now.